penny here, and we just got done using the recipes for the soul, and I cut out some and glued them in my little book so I can use them for the devotional challenge. But then I have all these scraps over here, and I don't know what to do with all these scraps. They're usable pieces, of course, and mine, I think of a junk journal mind going on here. But there's also these great pieces here that can be used for spines of journals or spines to put on to reinforce, or they can be great little twinchies or inchies. So I'm super excited to use those. But I have all these other little pieces that are just little fragments and just 1/4 of an inch and less, and you know, 1/2 an inch pieces. And I'm like, well, what am I going to do with all these pieces? I really want to use them. I don't want to waste anything. And you're thinking, gosh, she saves everything. No, I don't save everything, but I do want to use some things that I want to use. You know, I could most definitely paint these, distress them. You can make patterns on a piece of paper, and I'm going to show you that. You see how this checkered in the background is? You most certainly can start a weaving project. You can weave your in and out here. You can, there's a nice piece. You can, you know, weave the pieces in and out to make it look like the checkered board of a picnic table, you know, or the little planner here, the little recipe book here. You can use them as a background on bigger projects, or you can use them on a background for one of the little index cards in here. You can also most certainly use them in Bible journaling. If you had the smaller pieces, you could absolutely weave these together to make a sort of a background. So let's get going in making a background. I think I'm going to save these bigger pieces because I like to stamp words and put words to make it. This was part of the little digital. It's the little elements. I just glued it on there and then cut it in the back to fit. So these are about that size. So I'm going to save these 1/2 inch strips to use them whenever I am stamping words. And I have several stamps that are words, word stamps, but I also have a little stamp here that you can make your own words. This came from Office Max. I got this at a thrift shop, actually. I got this at Goodwill. But you can actually spell your own words or own scriptures, and you'll actually stamp. So that's kind of what I wanted to save these for, was to actually stamp on them. See that? And then I could distress that and say whatever sentiment I want to say. So I'm saving those for that stamp. So those are going to go over in this pile. And there's quite a few of them, but that's okay. I'm not concerned. I will use them. I'll take one day of just stamping and having fun and spelling words out. And then I usually like to gift them away. Like to send them in one stamp racks or something. There's quite a few, so I could stamp tons of different words, scriptures, whatever that I had. Okay, so all of these are going toward that. You have all these other little pieces left over. Let me get that one back in there. Okay. So let's just start gluing these down on here. So I'm going to take these. Remember, over, under, or you could go under, over. So I'm going to go